In Civil Site Design V24, the template editor has undergone some visual changes but also undergone some functional updates. If we head to the File pull down, we now have the option to export and import packs of templates. Essentially this means we can bundle the templates together and share them between projects or save them in packs for use on other jobs. So for this example, we're going to click on Export Template Pack. And what you may like to do is to create folders with specific groups of templates. What we're going to do is simply call this Client and click on Save. We'll get confirmation that that pack has been created and we click OK. We then decide that we would like to take all of those templates that have been taken from this data folder or from this particular project and use some of them for another project. So we click on Cancel and skip over to our other project. Now we're simply going to use the tool space to access the templates. Click on Template Editor and we're going to go File, Import Template Pack, and as you can see there's our pack file. We click on Open and from here we can choose which templates we would like to import. Now if you want to group select, all you need to do is hold down Control or Shift on your keyboard and left click and then click on the select button at the top to toggle on and off the selection of those templates. So at the moment those templates will not be imported. Any templates that have the same name will not be imported, so we do not overwrite any of the templates in the current project. Once you're happy with the templates that you have chosen, you click on Import and it will confirm that we have 33 templates being imported. So that is now appended all of those templates into our templates list.